ating Philippines.
Yes, it was really amazing. I soaked. All good, brother.
Okay, thank you. Sorry for the late. Because super kalma ang dagat, mga kalingap. So, tingnan yung dagat, napakaganda. So, yan, sama tayong kasama natin mag-expert fishing. So, nalit tayo, okay. Hindi lang naman. Dahil marami tayo nakita sa ating booking nila. So, tara. Hindi ko sa ating gagawin yun. Sila pala ako standby lang dito sa ating program. Okay. Grabe, napakakalba ang dagat.
Pinagwalang lalawigan, dinarayo ng karamihan, malawak na karamihan.
Gano'n, para tayo mag-tour guide. Tour natin si Brother Lee. Dito ba? Dito sa mga
Pangalan ng aking tunay na tahanan, di naman pa sa akin ang magulang. Lalawigan na di mag-iiba, isang kaibigan na napakadakila. Ang tanawin niya'y nakakahanga, San Luis,
Sabi ko, napakaliwanag, napakalinaw ko ang dagat. Papansin niyo po, nagtataramol kami. Pero kita ko yung ilalim. Dito din, mababaw pa to. Mga 20 feet o 10 feet na gano'n. Sila po, yung ating target to na pupuntahan yung Tres Marias Island. Tatlo po yan, yung isa nasa likod. Kaya nakikita nyo lang ay dalawa. Pero meron pa yan sa likod, malaki po yan. Ano ba yan? Ito ang buwan ano? Binalikan na pinunta natin ito. So ngayon ulit tayo nakabalik. At may kasama nga tayo ay mag-expert fishing o mamamana.
Papawaw, ikaw ang aming nagsisilbing ilaw at ang law liwanag mo'y nangilipapaw ng bayan ng Aurora. Ako'y sinila, lumog at binihisa. Pinagpalang lalawigan, dinarayo ng karamihan, malawak na karagatan. Dan dan daran, dan dan daran, dan dan daran, dan dan daran. Sulong
So dito na nga tayo sa Tres Marias Island.
Do you want I go in the water and catch the boat?
What?
I can go in the water and catch the boat.
Yun. No. I-tide ako. Natali mo ba ito? Tide? What is high tide? Pag high tide ba, mataas? Ba't baliktad siya? Bato. Nakababagsakan tayo ng bato, bro. So very nice rock formation there. Dito na naman kami sa Tres Island, Marias. Wow. Bakit? Oo, lalaki ako.
Itong ano, tayo makikinood lang muna. Hindi tayo marunong mag-fair fishing. Saka wala tayong goggles, no? At yun yung ating kasama, no? Na talagang nag-i-enjoy na sa kanyang pag-swimming o pag tititi ng isda. Ayan, nakaprepare na si bro. Pwede na rin yung may mahon. Ba't wala ang kan? Saan yung pana mo? Ano na? Okay.
Hi bro, Eddie! Shout out there!
Oh.
Are you enjoying? Are you enjoying? Okay. 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 Boy Palawan is there.
We are going to try to catch a shark.
Okay. Thank you. Boy Palawan is there. Inside.
Ayun. Sa ayan, dagat na bababa sila. Tayo po kakain muna, no? Mag-almusal muna tayo dahil dito na kapag-almusal dito sa ating bukid. Almusal muna tayo, ito ang ating almusal yan. Isda with kamatis yan. Almusal muna tayo ng ating kamatis. Okay.
Sarap na isda. Kamatis, pulis from the farm. Ang dami ng dalawa.
dahil iniwan tayo nung dalawa, no? Si Bro Iggy, yung foreigner, at saka si Boy Palawan Fishing TV. Iniwan tayo dito mag-isa. Ito nga, paikot-ikot tayo dito sa ating dito kung saan tayo nakalagay, no? Yung boat o bangka ni Bro Boy Palawan Fishing TV. Ito, nagsuswimming dito na lang, naliligo na lang tayo sa dagat. At kumuha tayo ng tawag dito yung seashell, no? Yung nakadikit sa bato. So yun na pinagkakabalaan natin. Hindi ko nabibidyoan dahil hindi ko makuha yung ating cellphone, madala doon dahil hindi naman po waterproof na gaya ng mga GoPro, no? Kaya ito, nakakuha tayo doon, no? Yun. Yan. Aha. So ligo-ligo lang muna tayo, hintayin natin sila kung kumusta na yung kanilang huli. Ayan, with Bro Iggy and from the Prince, Francia. Ano ba yun? Marbanda ko na yun. Basta ayun, hindi natin kayang sumabay sa kanila dahil mga expert na ngayon, expert diving na siguro ngayon, kaya hindi tayo piling makisabay. Iniikutan po nila itong Tres Marias. Ayaw naman po ay paligo-ligo lang dito. Saka wala tayong kawil, no? Ito yung pa natin, no? Nakakuha ng shell. Ito ay mauulam natin to pag ating pag-uwi. Right? Masarap ligo. Okay, so run. Natuwa naman ang ligo sa ilalim ng dagat. Grabe, no? Parang Virgin Island, no? Tayo lang mag-isa. Ay, nako. Kilo daw. Ay, sarap maligo. Ay, grabe. Swimming time. Yeah. Nababaan pa ang puto natin. Ay, grabe. Ay, grabe.
Oh, sarap maligo dong. Ahay, dito naman tayo sa kabila. Sa kabila. Aha. Ah, Diyos. Sarap maligo talaga. Alright, right, right. Alright. Sa baligo. Ay. Kailang lusong na ako. Wala pa sila. Tinanong ko yung foreigner. Are you enjoying? Yes, sabi niya. Yes, I'm very much enjoying. Enjoy. Tuwang-tuwa siya. Ayun ang kabila. Tayo ng bundok ng sisir. Kasi dito lang ako bumabas dito ay. So, puntahan natin doon. At yung ating chinilas ay dalhin natin. Kasi, ayun tawag dito ay tutulis ang mga tawag dito, matutulis ang mga bato. So, ayan, at tayo tatawid doon. Ayan.
sarap. Sarap maligo. Dami na oh. So, lagyan natin yung ating nahuli. May nakuha. Yan, lagyan natin sa balting pulso. Okay. Thank you. Wala pa yung dalawa. Napakaganda po kung mayroon tayong sariling goggles, no? At masarap manood ng mga isda sa ilalim ng dagat na naglalanguyan. Nakakatuwa. Mamaya, pagdating nila, hiramin natin yung kanilang goggles. Diyan. Dito na sila. Ewan ko ilan ang nahuli nila. Puntahan nga natin. Lapitan natin ang problema. Wala tayong, hindi natin makita kung may isda sa loob. Okay! Pagod.
Oh, sarap mag-swimming. Swimming at the beach. At the island, Tres Marias. Alright. Where's the happy? Leaving at the big one. Makita. Nagdagaws. Alright. Nagdagaws. Alright. Ito pala ko ba? Wow! Ito pala ko ba?
Lubos na yung grupo niya.
Lumos. Sayang. Lubat. Yung atsa. Yung biran, you shot. What?
What?
You shot one?
No. Shot it. Good shot. Good shot.
So that's guys, ano? I borrow goggles. I borrow what today? Wait,
Boy, Palawan. No.
So
This one is
I try to
Huli
find
namin.
fish.
And we took a shark
Huh?
as well.
Squid. I tried to find fish. Tama ba to?
Okay.
Okay. So, alright.
Walang ganong isda.
Magkano?
No fish here. No good.
We took everything.
Bro, Abutin mo yung lalim. Ha? Abutin mo yung lalim.
Pahabaw lang natin.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm just shocked. It was amazing. I think I have good video and good photo of you. With how do you say the calamar?
What?
Calamar, you know?
Calamar.
Yeah.
Calamaris?
Yeah, the thing with the black. You
Ah.
miss 2 times and the 3 times.
Mm.
How do you say in English?
Like this? In the black? This one?
No,
Or like
no, this one.
Squid.
Squid.
Yeah, squid.
That it was hard to
Yeah,
catch.
This calamaris.
Calamares, yes.
Yeah.
In France, we say calamar.
Yeah, calamar. In
Calamar.
France, calamar. In English is calamaris
Calamares, okay.
because this one is squid. In Tagalog, pusit bahura.
Bahora,
Yeah. Pusit sa corals.
sakuras.
Yeah. Yeah. These are delicious.
Yeah, it's very delicious. In
Masarap.
the barbecue,
Masarap in Tagalog. Masarap.
What is that?
Delicious.
Yeah,
Yeah,
delicious.
masarap.
Masarap.
Yeah. This one.
I'm going to take a video of all the fish.
Bro! Bro! Lipat tayo dun. You want to eat sea orchid?
Yep.
You go there.
Here?
Another area.
Alright.
Another adventure.
Again.
Another place. This your place. Your GoPro is lobat.
Yes.
Lobat.
Hindi, isang magandang araw sa ating lahat at lumipat nga kami ng pwesto dito. Ayan, napakakalma talaga ng dagat, no? So masaya ang mag-fishing, mag-outing. Napakakalma. Pero, wow, sarap ng ano. So yan ating kasama. May kasama tayo dyan, no? Yung foreigner. Then kasama si yung Ong. Sorry, Jiho. Or Boy Palawan Fishing TV. At pumunta tayo dito ngayon at mag-iihaw tayo. Yan. Meron tayong one ditong ihawan. Ihaw natin yung kanilang nahuli na isda. Right. Dawan natin ng kahoy.
Napakadakila ang tanawin ay nakakahanga. San Luis, sadyang nakakamiss. Ikaw ang puso ng ating lalawigan. Ikaw ang sandigan na laging maaasahan. Sugod na sa Valera Aurora.
Still hot, the stone. So maybe next time, no? You wear
No? Slippers or boots
Boat.
for fishing. We have Boy Scout today.
You have what?
Boy Scout ba? Boy Scout.
What's that?
A Boy Scout. Always ready
Always, yes.
for the
For fishing.
fishing. Boy Scout of the Philippines.
Maria Aurora, sa di pakulaw ika'y mapapawaw. Ikaw ang aming nagsisilbing ilaw at anglaw liwanag mo'y nangingilibabaw. Ng bayan ng Aurora, ako'y sinila, lubog at binihisa.
Ay, tayo natin magbaga.
Isang malawak na kabundukan, ikaw ang aming kanlungan.
We wait until the
Lakbay na sa
fire.
dapat kang tularan ng mga kabataan. Tulad ng isang malinis at mayamang kabukiran ng kasiguran. At sa ilaga, ikaw ang aming sagisan. Payat kong masipag at matataguan sa tilasan. Ng bayan ng Aurora, ako'y sinila, sinila.
More fishermen come here. Oh, yes.
To chill.
Yes, he meet here and eat fresh food from the sea. Like sea urchin, fish.
That's like for them. Yung chick ko.
Kalma. Daming pinagkainan dito. Sea urchin, makatikim na rin tayo ng sea urchin. Ngayon. Hindi pa ako nakakatikim ng sea urchin kasi na fresh. So, at saka sea urchin talaga. Dahil pinagkainan, no? Kumuha na rin tayo ng sea urchin. Yun. At ito na yung ating iihawin. Wala tayong ihawan mo. Pero kaya-kaya yan. Walang naman eh. Oh. Tayo ng sea urchin. Sabay kainin. Ito. Sea urchin. Lalaki. Isda natin ito. Oh, yes. Yeah. Oh. Sabi. Sinom na yata.
Hindi ko natanong kay Bro Iho o Boy Palawan paano mag-ihaw nito, kung paano itsura kong luto na. Pusit pa. Yun o. Wow. Oh. Ihaw natin ito lahat. Sabay kainin. Sa bato. Natin ihaw para ayos. Ayan. Ito na yata ito isa. Ito na nga. Hindi pa. Ay, grabe, napakataba naman to. Ito, paano ba kainin to? Ayos oh. Ito ba kinakain to? Sarap. First time natin kumain ito mga kalingap. Si urchin inihaw. Sarap nga. Ito ba yung kinakain dito? Para naman hindi ah. No? Napakasarap naman. Ang kulay madilaw-dilaw.
No.
Oh. Wow, first time nakakain. Sarap. Alat. Si dagat. Yan. Sarap naman oh. Thank you. Ang kuha natin. Fresh from the sea. Bro! Ano bang kinakain dito? Ano bang kinakain? Yung dilaw? Yung dilaw? Okay. Tama nga. Yung dilaw. Wow! Perfect! Ang kanin! Sana hindi na panis. Yun, hindi na panis. Very good. Malapit na. Ano tayo? Sarap kumain. Grabe. Siya. Kumain ng sea urchin with rice. Grabe, sarap naman. Hey! Woo! Woo! Bro! Woo! We're it! Hey! We're it! Okay. Yun, tinawag natin na kumain na tayo.
Para sabay-sabay tayo. We eat na our lunch. Come bro. Boy Palaw Fishing TV. And where's the other guy? Well, from the French. Our guys. Ini. Shout out. Sa inyo dyan. Magandang hapon.
No, 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 no.
Wala sa bato. Ito ibang daw, daw. Alright. We need to eat. Because our tummy to eat now is full. We are Boy Scouts here. So good or not good? Hindi naman. Come bro, wait first.
Biasin ka?
Good? Yeah. No more fish? So yan. Ito na yung ating pinaghirapan. Ha? Sarap na yan.
Come bro. Then the cooker, we eat together.
This is a Dutch in cook.
Made in Philippines.
Yeah. Dutch in cook with Coco Marti.
Coco Marti.
Yeah.
With passion.
Only here in Philippines. Okay.
So,
Alright, local food.
Yeah.
So we see that our
Fresh food, local food.
Okay. So thank the Lord for the food.
Amen.
Amen. So yeah.
I mean,
A pure night.
Oh.
Ah. Good. Good eat. Fish.
very good fisher.
Yeah.
Very, the best fisher of Palawan.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Yan eh. Bakit?
Ha? I don't know.
Like wow. Very good.
It's a fish. She or she.
Oh, yes. You have my one. Food by Kokomachi.
Yeah. So, wait, what's this? Lighter. Oh, maganda. Ang dia. Okay. That's it. That's it. So we eat.
It's really nice.
Bro, try, you try. You try this.
Fish?
No, this is your chip.
No, that's it.
You try. You taste.
What I have to eat? This
Yeah,
one?
this yellow. Color yellow. Right. Delicious. Amazing. Amazing food.
It's really nice.
Oh, yummy.
Thanks, good.
Good. Very fresh. Okay.
It's really nice.
The first time.
To eat that?
Yeah.
I ever try one time in Australia,
Australia?
but it was different. They were smaller.
What difference?
French?
Yeah.
We don't have this in my. If you go in the south, you can have this, but in Atlantic Ocean, we don't have this. But it's crazy because when I fish, I fish bigger fish. So
In your
it's the first
country,
time.
fish is bigger. This here in Philippines, they're small, like this.
Yeah. No, I saw like mullet. You know mullet?
No,
Mullet, yeah. Mullet.
yeah.
I saw. I don't think it's that, but I saw a few like 4 or 5 together close to the surface.
I am brought.
I tried to call them, but I think they. Oh, with rice.
This one, not this.
This one is good.
Yes,
Let's see.
bro, big.
Ah,
Taba.
taba big.
Yeah. Like a pig.
Luto na ba ito? Luto na?
Oh.
Bro, luto na ito?
He missed him like 2 times, and at the last time, oh,
Madulas?
2 times miss.
because I think it's hard to catch him because it's small.
Yeah.
You have to take the body. That is my favorite fish.
Oh. Ano? Pusit. Yung Tagalog, pusit.
We have that in my country.
No, push it.
Eh,
Yeah, this mataba.
Mataba.
Very
It's good.
delicious.
Yeah.
Good. Mango. Pampaganda na mukha.
Mingo, very, very mukhasim. Like a vinegar.
Oh, good.
So there, the animals were going down here. Yeah. So that's right mga kalingap, ano, napapa-English talaga tayo, ano. Dahil nga po may kasama tayong ayan, naging tour guide na rin kami, ano. Pasensya na po at ayan, naging tour guide na kami dahil sa kagustuhan din niya na makapag-experience ng fishing, fishing. So bro, thank you very much, and I'm very
Thanks,
appreciate. Yes.
Yeah.
I'm very appreciate that you we guys.
Teach me a lot of things.
I'm a good
So yan.
picture man.
Nandiyan si Bro Boy Palawan Fishing TV para turuan si Ivan at gusto rin niya matutong
Kalau ko
Maraming
English
fishing.
mo, Tagalog mo man.
Hi, so bro, say hi and goodbye for now, no?
Oh,
Okay.
You're going into France.
Thank you. So, panibago ulit. Alis tayo mag-bira-bira. Tara. So yan, no?
And there is a lot of
Catch and cook ulit. Na kumakain kami ngayon dito sa ayan.
very good fish.
Oh,
Good
okay.
fishing,
Good fishing.
good dinner, perfect.
Okay, thank you very much, bro.
Shout out, bro.
Shout out. So yan ang aming catch and cook ulit. Thank you. At pinakain namin si Bro Eddie. Yan ang ating nilutong ayan, sinigang. Medyo madilim kasi, no? Hindi kami pumunta doon. Ito dito.
I eat
Oh.
everything.
Yeah. That's
cooking.
that's
Thank
a
you, brother.
that's a cowboy, you know, cowboy.
In Tagalog, masarap.
Sige.
Delicious, masarap.
I'm going to move after in Port Barton
For Baton,
and then
El Nido, also in here in Palawan also, no?
Sige,
So-
sige.
So bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Thanks,
Thank
guys.
you.
Thanks for the opportunity. Thanks for the meal.
Okay. It's the time, no? You go home or
No,
where
it's
you
my
going?
last moment here in Sabong, but I'm going to Port Barton, then El Nido, then Coron, and I will see how is it there.
Okay, so thank you, bro. Thank you
Thank
for
you, brother.
visiting Philippines.
Yes, it was really amazing. I rest only 1 or 2 days here, which it was really nice. So I stayed 3 or 4 days. I don't know, something like that, but amazing.
Okay, thank you. I hope you come again.
Yep.
With,
no worries, I will send you a message and
Okay.
I follow your video.
Okay.
Beautiful hat now.
Oh yes, thank you, bro, for this hat as
No, it's normal. It's better for work.
remembrance. Oh.
Yeah.
It's better now because it's too hot. No?
Yeah, the sun is really hot for work
Okay.
there. It's hard without that. So no
Okay,
worries.
and good luck, bro.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very
Thank
much,
you.
brother.
Good luck.
See
Take
you
care,
guys.
take care. Take care.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome.